Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Firefox. First, make sure your Firefox browser is completely up to date for the best experience. You'll want to visit the official Roblox website to download the Roblox Player installer. Once the download is complete, locate the file, which is usually found in your Downloads folder. Double-click this file to start the installation process, preparing your computer for hours of fun. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup. Once you've launched the installer, simply follow the straightforward on-screen instructions. The program will guide you through each step, ensuring all necessary game files are correctly placed on your system. This process typically takes only a few minutes, depending on your computer's speed. You might see a progress bar indicating the installation status. After it finishes, a new Roblox icon could appear on your desktop, making future access incredibly easy. It's a quick and simple setup. With Roblox Player installed, open your Firefox browser and go to the Roblox website. Log in using your existing account credentials. Once logged in, browse through the vast selection of games available. When you find a game you want to play, simply click on its thumbnail. This action will prompt your browser to open the Roblox Player application, connecting you directly to the game world. It's a seamless transition from browser to game, ready for adventure. If you experience any difficulties, a few simple steps can help. First, try clearing your Firefox browser's cache and cookies. This often resolves minor glitches. Also, consider temporarily disabling any browser extensions, as some might conflict with Roblox. Always ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Roblox to guarantee smooth performance. Keeping your operating system and graphics drivers updated is also a good practice for an optimal gaming experience. These tips will help keep your Roblox adventures running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.